Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing up there? You're working on a higher education so you can learn grant writing? You don't have to do that for grant writing. Come on down for a second. I want to talk to you. Yeah, hey, come a little closer. You don't have to do all that just to learn grant writing. In fact, you can learn it the quick and easy way. I've helped other people to do it. I can help you too. See, here's the thing. You don't have to go through all that and spend $50,000 just to learn this skill, just like you did when you went to undergrad school to learn something that you're probably not using right now, right? You see, you can learn this the quick and easy way, and the quick and easy way is just to go over to my training right now at becomeagrantwriter.com, and I'm going to show you what you need to do to break into this industry, what you need to do to learn this skill. And did you know this? Did you know that according to salary.com, the average grant writer in the United States makes about $69,000? So before you start climbing up some walls and scaling up some trees and everything, why don't you come over to that training right now, sign up. There's a link below. Yeah, right there on the side somewhere. There's a link, sign up for it. Let me show you how to do it the smart way so that you won't be looking like Spider-Man or something, all right? And besides, that really wasn't cool, so don't do that again. Just sign up and I'll see you soon, all right? Bye-bye.